Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to show you, I'm trying to make a table setting set. So I made this tutorial and I have then done this as well. This is for the cutlery, and now I just made this coaster. So this is a glass coaster. So for this tutorial, we are going to make this very simple but really cute coaster. So let's get started, guys. So today I will be using my red acrylic yarn and my 4mm hook. So to start with, we are going to make our magic ring. And then chain 2, 3, and then in the magic ring we are going to make our double crochet. So we're going to make 14. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So from here, 1, 2, and the third chain, we are going to do a slip stitch. And from here we are going to make chain 3. And in next chain, so not this chain, but this chain next here, we are going to make 2 double crochet. And the next 2 double crochet. So continue going that all around with 2 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll meet you back up. So I'm back, and we are going to put 1 more into the chain 3 that we made. So 1 double crochet there, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3. We are going to do a slip stitch to connect. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is 1 double crochet, and the next 2 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, and then in the next chain 2 double crochet, then the next 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, as you can see here. So 1, and then this 2 in the same stitch. So you continue that, guys, go around, and I'll meet you back up. Guys, so this is my third row is finished. So then after that I'm going to change my yarn. So 1, 2, the third, we are going to slip stitch. And before we do that, before we pull the yarn through, I'm going to change my yarn, change the color of my yarn. Okay, and from here we're going to chain 3. Okay, and what we're going to do is double crochet. Okay, so 2 double crochet, and in the third one we're going to make double crochet twice in the same stitch. So after that we're going to double crochet 1, and then next 1 double crochet, and the next is 2 double crochet. Okay, so 2, as you can see, okay, 1 1 and then 2 together. Okay, so 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So we are going to do that, continue going that all around, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I am on the last part of it before we slip stitch. What I'm going to do is I will pull back because I didn't cut this off, so I will put that back, okay, and use my red yarn, okay, to complete the project. Okay, so with this is I'm going to chain 2, sorry, we're going to chain 3, okay, and then from here we're going to chain 3, and then 2 more double crochet. Okay, so after that we are going to skip 1 2, and the third chain we are going to do our single crochet, and then chain 3 and 2 more, okay, and then chain skip 2 and single crochet again. Okay, so that will be our edging. Okay, so chain 3 and double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, skip 2 and then single crochet. Okay, so continue that guys. As you can see, this is our edging. Okay, so continue that guys, okay, until you get to the end, and I will meet you back up. Okay guys, so I have done mine, and look at that, that is so cute, so adorable. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and thank you for your support. And if you're new to my channel, please do click that subscribe button if you wanted to, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, thank you very much guys, and until to the next video, bye.